Hey folks, Vortex here and welcome to my review of the QKZ HBB Hades kind of collab model. And yeah, as usual, full disclaimers, I'd like to thank Linsol for sending this out to me, so thank you very much. I was not paid to this video, nor thoughts opinions are my own, and this is meant to be a dual, I think 9mm LCP dynamic drivers. And this is meant to be a basic boy, so obviously find out. As you can see, it's got some crazy kind of cartoonish artwork. And then you got all the logos there, as you can see. And yeah, let's just get into it. So as you can see, it's got all the logos going on. So yeah, QKZ HBB Hades. No mic, so that's good to see. Let's have a look on the back. So that's a frequency response, meant to be quite a bassy boy, but we'll see obviously what it's like. Thanks so much for HBB's kindly assistance in the design and tuning. So you can see, so dual 9mm and 9mm PU and LCP composite diaphragms, sensitivity 95 dB, impedance is 16 ohms, 20 Hz, 20 Hz, cable is oxygen free cable. So let's have a look. Let's go this way. Probably one of the best boxes I've seen from the brand, so that looks kind of cool. Okay, that's good as well. Bit of padding, so it's got like the coin, as you can see there. That's cool. I think I saw that last was on the Carns. Let's just get one of these out. So these look kind of, look at that. That looks awesome. See, there's a DD there and a DD at the back. There's no lip on the nozzle, which slightly protrudes out slightly. So I'll have to see what that's like. So a quick look at this one. Yeah, that looked pretty cool. Shell size isn't too big. Normal QKZ case. Some tips in there. I'll have a look at those when I get to review them. Let's see what the cable's like. Where's the top? There we go. Okay, so the cable is kind of average, but it's got red and blue for left and right. That's what it's like. 3.5. It's a bit thin. And yeah, so let's see what these are like. I expect them to be on the bassy side, but we'll find out. So yeah, see you in the next clip. So welcome to my review section of the QKZ HBB Hades. So yeah, that's what it looks like with the cable. I've seen this kind of cable before, but 3.5. Obviously mine's a no mic, which I prefer. There's no chair, chin split or anything like that. It's a very basic cable, but it works fine. It does the job. I like that it's got the colours on there, as you can see. Blue obviously for left. That's what it looks like there. And obviously red for right, and that's what they look like. Great looking IMs. Just take these off. Let's get this out of the way. So let's just pick this one. So it's going to like build quality. See, these look really nice, 3D printed. I think they are. You can see either driver, left and right, and this is the top tips it comes with. So smaller kind of ball on the top. You can see how wide it is actually on there. Also, there's no lip on the nozzle, but I didn't really find to have any issue with it, to be honest. Comfort on this set, I find the comfort and the overall fit on the average kind of side. I've used this for a few hours today. I didn't really have a problem with it. It's not amazing, but it's on the good. I'd say it's not amazing, but it's not even average. It's above average. So yeah, comfort and fit are ultimately very important, because if they don't fit you very well, you're not going to listen to them basically. And yes, so let's talk about drivers. I think these use dual, I think 2 9mm DDs. I think that's the size. I think they are LCP as well. And this is, I think these are around $50 for the non-mic, before, in case I forgot to mention it. So power and sensitivity, I found them easy enough to power, but you do need more volume to get the what you want basically. I don't think they're that sensitive. Apart from that, they're not that hard to drive really. Nothing out of the ordinary really. Yeah, so stage, I found stage and imaging was okay with this set. Nothing, nothing out of the ordinary really, nothing special. Anyway, so sound, because that's what this is all about. Now, before I got this, I knew this was a bass headset, and I'm not surprised by the outcome. So anyway, I'll put the graphics, you can have a look. So bass, as you can see, there's a ton of it. Now, these are designed to be a bass headset. So if you didn't know that before you buy it, now you know. Its tuning is very purposeful. But anyway, bass, there is a lot, as you can see. This thing rumbles like a beast, as you can imagine. But same for mid bass and the sub bass, it's all there. It's not just one or the other. So it is technically a bass head, bass monster kind of set, really, without a doubt. It's one of those guilty pleasure earphones that you shouldn't really like, but you probably do. It's always good to have something different in your arsenal instead of the same kind of tunings. But yeah, bass, as you can imagine, is a beast. Obviously, I do like electronic music, and I tried this with some, as you call it, epic orchestral music, and it sounds very exciting, shall we say, from the actual hit. The punch of it is very exciting, really. I do like this set. It's a bit different, but it's always good to try different things. So mid-range, yeah, it is a bit recessed, and it is, as you say, muddy, as you can see from the bleed, but it is what I expected it to be. It's not like it didn't try to hide it. You know what this is, and it sounds like it. It doesn't really sound as muddy as the graph looks, but it is a little bit muddy. I'm not going to deny that, but it is still a good set, but there is a little bit more mids than I was expecting. It just looks really aggressive on the graph, basically. And anyway, vocals, female and male was okay, really. Males is very different. Everything sounds thick, as you can probably imagine. But female vocals it was actually not too bad at all. Now treble they do sound a little dark, but there's not that much treble, so they're not massive V shapes. So sometimes if it's got a load of bass, they do bring the treble to help counteract it, so you get a big V. But the treble isn't as boosted as I expected it to be. Obviously, so you can tell that treble is trying to compete with the low end, so you do miss the details. Obviously, you can see like the 8K, it's on the coupler, but past there, it's very. The treble on the whole is very smooth. It is a little bit more detailed than what I expected from the graph, but on the whole, it is a fun, bassy, exciting set, which is again a set you probably wouldn't expect to like, but you do. And yeah, I won't waffle on too much. So what do I think of this set? Again, it's like a guilty pleasure set. Like, obviously, I've tried a lot of models. Obviously, you got like the QKZ Carns, which are, I don't think, available anymore. But from the same company, Dual DD, a very different tuning compared to this. But this is one of those, I say, to guilty pleasure products. It's always good to have, something bassy and fun and exciting like this. Then it might be good to have a more balanced tuning, or more V'd, or more L shape, or more Harman, or whatever. It's always good to have different products. That's if you are in the hobby. But yeah, not a bad set. They do look great. I do like them, but I'm overall on the fence about ultimately if they should be recommended. If you like low end, like a lot of it, that's for you. If you're on a balanced tuning, these are not for you. Again, hopefully, I've done what I can with the graphs. Channel matching is okay. There's a slight dB or two off, but I never noticed that. And also, I graphed these after I listened to them, and I didn't really notice a difference. So yeah, exciting, bassy set. You know the deal from the name. You probably knew the deal as soon as these kind of got announced. And yeah, good, fun, exciting set. But obviously, you have to be wary if this product is for you. And again, they are a little bit muddy and a little bit dark sounding. And I think that's pretty much it. Not much what to say. I like them. It's different. These are complementary to other IEMs I've got, because it's very different in its tuning. And I think that's pretty much it. If you want anything else, please do let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Take care. And yeah, see you in the next video.